Hello, everyone, and welcome to the LangGraph Mastery Series. If you have been learning Gen AI, you have probably heard terms like Agentic AI, AI agents, LangChain, RAG, and more recently, LangGraph. But what exactly is LangGraph? Why is everyone suddenly talking about it? And do we really need another AI framework? Let's find out. So let's start something familiar. Most AI applications work like this. We have an input, then the LLM, then the output, and it follows a sequence A, B, C. For example, you ask ChatGPT a question, the model will process it and returns an answer. Simple. This approach works great for tasks like summarization, translation, content generation, or basic question answering. Everything follows a straight path. Input goes in, output comes out, done. Now, imagine we're building an AI agent. Suppose we ask, find the latest development in agentic AI and create a summary. Can the agent answer immediately? Probably not. First, it needs to search the web, read the articles, compare information, generate a summary. Now, imagine the search results aren't good. What should happen? Should the system stop? Or should it search again? Or maybe it should use a different tool? Maybe it should ask another agent? Maybe it should verify the information first. Suddenly, our workflow no longer looks like A, B, C in a sequence. It starts looking like we have to first search and then analyze and then check if the results are good or not. Summary search again. This is where traditional chains start becoming limiting because agents do not think in a straight lines. Agents make decisions. And this is exactly where and why LangGraph was created. LangGraph is a framework for building stateful AI workflows. Instead of creating fixed pipelines, we create graphs. These graphs allows our AI applications to make decisions, use tools, loop through tasks, maintain memory, coordinate multiple agents. So in simple terms, LangGraph helps us build AI systems that behave more like agents and less like simple chatbots. Now here's the question everyone asks. Do I use LangChain or LangGraph? Answer is usually both. Now think of LangChain as the collection of building blocks. LangChain provides the models, prompts, tools, retrievers. Now imagine you have all of these pieces. You still need a way to connect them together. You need a way to decide what happens first, what happens next. Should we use a tool? Should we retry? Should we stop? That's where LangGraph comes in. A simple analogy is LangChain gives you the components, whereas LangGraph gives you the workflow. Or even simpler, LangChain provides the Lego pieces and LangGraph provides the blueprint. Actually, why LangGraph matters? Because the future of AI is not just asking questions and getting answers. The future of AI is that AI systems can actually think, act, reason, use tools, collaborate. Those systems requires workflow, and workflows require orchestration. That's exactly where LangGraph provides, which is why it has become one of the most powerful or important frameworks in the agentic AI ecosystem. Now that we understood why LangGraph actually exists, the next question is, how does it work? The answer comes down to three fundamental concepts: state, nodes, and edges. These three concepts power every LangGraph application you will ever build. And that's exactly what we'll cover in the next video. If you have enjoyed this introduction, make sure to subscribe and follow along the LangGraph Mastery series. In the next episode, we'll deep dive into three core building blocks of LangGraph. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.